Hey guys, another Animal Company video. Hold on one second. Anyways. Okay, we're back in the green screen room. You can put me, like, anywhere if you want. My friend should be joining. But, yeah, remember. Dawnhammer. These, like, these black lines on them are, like, on the red part, so, I mean, I guess it's very small. The Toasty Varsity Jacket, Halo, and Nut Mask. So, yeah, I would say I'm, like, a decent OG, but, you know, I might actually just, like, put up a video of, like, a green screen, and you guys could, like, do whatever you want in it. Want to me. You guys could do whatever you want to me. So, yeah. Bro. Hold on. Let me call him. Yo. Yo, unmute. You gotta unmute. If you're saying something, I don't know. Hello? Friend? Bro. Yeah. Hold on. Can you hear me? Yeah, you can hear me. Okay. Yeah, but for some reason he's not like picking up. For some reason. Like he's on the call, he's just like muted. Hold on. Let me see if I can get some. Well, guess it doesn't do anything. After like a singular one. But yeah. I'll record another video after my friend joins. So yeah.